Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of exploring R in bioinformatics. Now you might be wondering, why should I care about explore R in bioinformatics? Well, my friend, let me tell you, this is one of the most crucial aspects of modern research and data analysis in the biological science. So buckle up and get ready to have your mind blown. If you haven't already subscribed my channel, I encourage you to do so for the most up-to-date videos and the solution related to the bioinformatics. In the preceding video, we covered the data structure in R. Now, in this video, we delve into discussing data frames in R. So, start with list and data frames. Before progressing further, I would like to notify you that from this video onward, we will slightly shift our terminology to a more biological context. In this video, we will be referring to the mitochondrial protein HSPD1. Basically, this is a human mitochondrial protein which binds and regulates the repair of deoxyribonucleic in DNA. So we create a list by taking the mitochondrial protein HSPD1. Gene is equal to HSPD1, comma A dot A is equal to 613, comma nucleotides is equal to 2400. So we creating a list by taking a mitochondrial protein HSPD1 as we discussed earlier. So now we run this. Oops. You can see a new data set, a list of 3. Now print parenthesis HSPD1. We observe that we have 3 variables. One is HSPD1, one is 613, and one is 2400. Okay, so you can note that we have a corresponding labels for each of them. For instance, we mentioned gene equal to HSPD1. It indicates that our label was gene and the associated variable was HSPD1. Our second input pertain to amino acids. A dot A is a amino acid and the variable associated with it is 613, and same with the nucleotides. If we want to look what is stored in label gene, so we use HSPD1 dollar sign gene. Okay, so right now we are looking for what actually the gene label is stored, which variable it store. Okay, so press enter. So now it's store HSPD1, and if we want to check with the amino acid, for amino acid, so we use HSPD1 dollar sign, and we can go for the this 613. And if you want to go with the nucleotides, so you can go with the nucleotides and then 2400. Okay, so let's try to make some complex data frame. For that we have to create multiple list and combine in single data frame. So we create a gene C. Okay, so HSPD1A. Okay, copy, cut, codes. Since it's a character, so we have to put them in a code. C, I name them with the ABCD T. So we can only create 4 list, and same with the amino acid. Oops. You can oops, so this is a number, so we can't use the codes over there. 1 2 3 4 5 6, put the random number 7 8 9 0 1 2, and same with the nucleotides. So we created the list, okay, which we already discussed in the previous video, how we can create the list. So right now we are actually doing that thing, and with the different list we are trying to make a single data frame. 6 7 8 9 comma 6 7 8 9, array anything you can, any number you can type, 7 8 9 2. So now we create a data frame hspd underscore 1, a new data frame, and in this we use the function data dot frame, and here we put all the list gene a dot a and nucleotides. Press enter. Oops, gene not found. Oops, I didn't run this, so first I have to run all the 3 list gene, amino acid and nucleotide, then press this. So now print hspd1, press enter, and you can see a format resembling an Excel spreadsheet with column headers gene, amino acid, nucleotides, okay, and the gene name with hspda1 in the first entry is written 1 2 3 in the first entry of amino acid, and 4 5 6 7 is also with the first entry of nucleotides. Okay, so every entry is a systematically filled and ensuring a clear correspondence between genes, nucleotides and amino acid. Now you can check like previously we do in hspd1 and check what actually is stored in the gene. So you can check the list of the genes, and if you want to check with amino acid, or sorry, amino acid or nucleotide, so you just press enter and you can see this. So we mentioned that pull out only nucleotides. Now if you want to search for the specific amino acid count like from the particular amino acid, and we are looking for a gene, so what we can do is hspd1 da and the square bracket hspd1 gene, and we are looking for that particular amino acid value from this particular gene, whatever the gene, like if you want to look what is the value stored in the amino acid for this particular gene. So now press enter and you can see 7 8 9, okay, in this hspdc1, Oh, if you want to do in nucleotides, so you can choose nucleotides and press enter. So you can see 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. If you want to see your data, you can also go to the environment and click on this, and you can see it's a kind of a proper format in the Excel. So guys, this is all for the day. In the upcoming video we can discuss about the objects and classes. So in future playlist we will also provide some practical demonstration of our working with bioinformatics in R. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.